Alright, so this last video we're drawing here is going to be this rod and then the two hexagon handles. So they're the two little bits we're doing there. So far we've drawn all of this. All the little symbols are the different jointing tools. So we're good for that. So the first part that we want to draw, new component, is going to be the rod. We say OK. We sketch. We want to draw this from the edge. We can capture our new position. We're offset them a little bit there. That's alright. Do that when you actually build it, we could be in a bit of trouble. So dimension tool, 38 millimeters. Finish sketch, extrude, 250 millimeters. Jointing tool, grab the center, select the center, and then I'm going to drag that out. Not 50 mil, but 25 mil. So if it doesn't look like it wants to let me, I'm going to say minus 25, enter. So I've now got that rod sticking out either side of where we want it to be. I'm now going to create a new component, and this can be the rod handle. And so for that, we sketch. Looks like one odd little view there. So sketch from that edge view. And when we click on the circle, just below it, there is the option of a polygon. So we can go for the Inscribed Polygon. Select your options there, 6 sides, and this, I didn't actually check the size. What size did that come up to? Dimension tool. If we change that to 45, might be a bit small. Let's go with 55. Yeah, that looks better. All right, finish sketch. Extrude. Let's make this 19 mil. We're then going to sketch on the face, and we'll drill a hole from the center. A little bit off there, that's fine. Dimension. This is going to need to be 40 mil. It does actually look like these are now quite big in comparison to what I'm after. That's all right. I might change them in a moment. So we're going to extrude and go minus 10. And now we're going to use a joint tool, and I want to join the center of that with the center of that. You'll see it's facing the wrong way. Not a problem, because I'm going to grab that and say minus 245. So now it has added that to where I want it to be. And now I'm going to construct the offset plane to that face. I know that it was 250. I reckon we can get away with a 120 offset plane. Create the mirror of that component to that offset plane. Object is that. Mirror plane is that. And enter. I have got a few things going on there now that it's thinking. Scrolling up to the very top. And again, lots of construction planes. We go all the way through. The rod handle mirror has a construction plane. The rod handle has the construction plane. We're getting rid of that. The stand mirror. And then the ramp. We put some. So if we want to get rid of them, we can. That's fine. And there we have our rolling machine.